Good morning, April. This is Charles from 7883 SEO and Marketing here in Colorado Springs. Thanks for talking to me for a minute the other day and letting me shoot this screencast for you guys based on website health. So first thing first, I am on the front page of your guys' website. We are experiencing technical difficulties. Nothing is pulling up. I was able to take your link and do the test on it still though. But nothing right now is pulling up. Secondly, one of the first things I noticed the other day when I was on here and I looked, hence why I called you guys do not have a secure site, period. It's not secure, which opens you up to a lot of problems. Technical difficulties, being hacked, potential client information being transferred, and if hackers get on there, they can steal all that, which creates a lot of problems. So, being that there's no front page, I can still basically explain why I would come to the front page. So what I'm looking for when I go to a front page typically is content, photos that have been optimized and saved properly and keywords put into them. The other thing that we look at is we look at keyword content for a front page. So Google crawls these pages, and this is how they rank them, based on photos, based on word content. Your guys' site did not have the appropriate word content, which Google likes to see 12 to 1500 words with keywords. You can't overstuff, you can't under minimize, otherwise you won't be ranked. There's an actual ratio to it. You guys did not fall in that category, hence why I reached out. The next thing I want to do is I actually want to go up to a tester which shows your inbound traffic. So I'm going to pull up your biggest competitor here in Colorado Springs to begin with, Granite. And they've got a high authority score. Google trusts them. They're an established company. They've had a good website on Google for many years. Their monthly organic search traffic is 4.9 thousand, and these are ranking factors. The reason that they're getting some of this is because of the amount of backlinks they have and that they're good backlinks, which brings in all the traffic. Another ranking factor, and I talked about this on your homepage of your website, was keywords. So you guys only had a few keywords. Planet Granite has 2042, and I mean, we can go into some of this. I can click on this. I can show you some of the volumes. And all this is basic monthly. So, like if we look at countertops Colorado Springs, this is one keyword out of 2042 that they have. They're getting a monthly volume of 320. Granite countertops Colorado Springs, they're getting 320. You don't want to go after keywords like that because that's specifically for them. But there's other, specific keywords where they've got, 2.9 thousand, 1,000, 140 for Granite Colorado Springs. So they're getting a lot of traffic. You guys did not have all that. I can pull you up right here. Your authority score is significantly lower. And the reason that this is because Google basically does not fully trust your website. Because of issues. So you guys had an unsecure website, which means you guys didn't have an SSL certificate. You guys don't have the amount of backlinks and referring domains that are required to drive the traffic. And I will say all backlinks are not created equal. Google checks these. And so let's say you go out and put 1,000 backlinks, but they're not relevant. Google's going to catch that and they're going to ding you for it. So these are relevant. That drives this traffic. Now you got 53 organic search traffic for the month, and comparing that to Planet Granite, that's not good. A good way to put it is your website's a billboard, and when we drive down the freeway, billboards are normally colorful. We see them, we pay attention. They're huge. They're hard to miss. But when you're not having all the off-page SEO and the things that people tend to think that they can do without, what happens is you have a blank billboard and it's sitting in the middle of the desert. So you've got a website that really nobody's seeing, and there's crucial reasons for that. Like I was saying, Planet Granite, they had 2042 top keywords. You guys have 25. So you guys aren't ranking for nearly the traffic, and these are the key reasons. I'm going to show you Whitespark. So this is citations. This is one form of a backlink that really matters. And so your top competitor has 52 citations and 27 opportunities. If we go up and, we look at Rockstar, you guys have 28 and 36. The next thing, and these are opportunities, so everything I'm showing you can be fixed. The next thing I'm showing you is I tried to run what we call a site speed test, and this test shows me how optimized the website is, how quickly it will load onto a computer and to a cell phone. So I'm gonna hit recycle here and run it again. It's not showing up. You guys have a serious issue on your website. Error document request. It won't even pull anything up. So normally it pulls other companies up, and it won't do it because you guys have problems. So based on everything I've been able to show you, that's kind of where you guys are sitting. So your competitor, even if you guys don't get all these, there's a lot of traffic, and we both know Granite brings a lot of money. It tends to be high dollar projects and custom work, and with the custom market here in Colorado Springs is strong versus a lot of other places in the country. We have a very strong building market. So let's say you even took 25% of these coming through, and you knew that you guys were able, your sales team could knock them out and secure the jobs. You guys are missing a lot of job opportunities. So that's your competitor, and this is where you guys are at. So I've offered some ways that we can fix your website. If you guys are interested, I'm going to email this off. I'm going to leave my phone number. If you guys are interested in talking with me after this, I would definitely like to dive deep with you guys on this and find out what your guys' goals are and what you guys would like to fix, and see if you guys have questions for me, and just kind of let me know the direction you guys are going. I can curate a package around that if that's something you guys are interested in. So once again, thank you very much for letting me do this, and you guys have a great day.